Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite crash reporter. Fortnite has crashed error. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to open up Epic Games and you just need to click on the three dot icon next to the Fortnite and select manage. Select the verify files option. Wait for it. After getting verified done, let's move on to the second step guys. The second step, you just need to select the profile icon and select settings. In here you need to scroll down, select the Fortnite and check mark additional command line arguments, and you just need to check my video description for this launch option. Just to copy and paste it. After pasting it, select on outside and just go back. And now let's move on to the third step guys. The third step, you just need to click on the three dot icon next to the Fortnite and you just need to select the options. In here you need to uncheck the options high resolution textures and DirectX 12 shaders. Uncheck these both option and check mark pre-download steamed assets. Just check mark it and other things uncheck it and select apply to save changes. After doing this, let's move on to the fourth step guys. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here. The fifth step, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, just to close stuff here. After doing all these steps, you need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.